I am Kumaravel Kadai, Excel trainer. In this session, I will be explaining you how to group data. So usually what we do is there are two set of data that is first quarter of year 2020 and 2021. So instead of hiding, we can group the data. I will explain you how to group the data here. Just you select B2E and then go to data. In this data, you can see the group data. Just click here. Similarly, you select the 2021 and then go to data outline. In this outline, you can see the group data. So once you group it, if you want to view this, if you give the click 2, see here, expands. If I click 1, on your presentation, you can use like this. You want to explain 2021, you can click plus here. If you do not, you can give a minus. Similarly, we can do the subtotal like this and all. So now you will learn about how to group the data. Next video, I will be explaining you how to do the subtotal, data subtotal. Thank you.